Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Technology Transforming. And as you are aware, we started this series on lockdown and we did many more videos. If you see, we started from basic computer, then we did MS Paint, then we did MS Paint 3D, then MS Word complete, and now we are in MS Excel. And MS Excel we already completed 16 part. As you are aware, so this is our 17 parts. So let's begin with 17 parts. So I'm taking you on my screen. So this is the thing, and if you know, we already did till flash and remove duplicate. Now today we'll do data validation. Data validations, we already speak about data validations in our previous videos, where part 4 and part 5 I will give you link in here. You will find out in I button. Then basically data validation, so we'll do a little bit here something. So I'm removing this. So basically data validations, if you want roll number, and you just put here roll number, and if you put something here like some numbers, so that will only numbers come with the data validation. So what we'll put data validation, then here any value, whole number, decimal list, date, we can specify time, text length. If text length is like 6, it can't be more than 6. Okay, so that we can put. Right now we are putting whole number, and it's again between, not between, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than. So you can this because it's general terms. So not is between means in the between. If suppose we have range, so in between. Not between means the number is not that range, it's apart from that range. Then equal to, it's suppose we have number 10, so means if number is only 10 is allowed, not other than that. Not equal to means it can be 9 or 8, but it can't be 10. Okay, then greater than, all the numbers greater than 10, less than, or the number less than 10. 10 is the just example. Okay, so you can do that way. Right now I'm putting between, and I will specify here 10, suppose 110 and to 120. Okay, so I already put here, and if I am trying here 101, it will not work. It is saying the value could not match because of data validation. So we have to put that same number, whatever it's, we have 10. So if we put 110, it is coming. So this is the data validation. So same way you can put data validation different this, then 11, then 12, then 13. If I'm trying to put again, right, so it will say same. If I'm trying to put 200, it will tell same. So basically data validation, I think you get the concept what is the data validation. So this is the thing. Then we can put data validation, we can put input message. Right now it's number, so it will show you here. You can put number only, so it will come number only. So once you click this cell, it is showing. But if you are selecting here, and we'll put here data validation, okay, here we'll put number only. Okay, so whatever you go, you can't put any character here. If you put suppose ABC, okay, it is coming. It is showing number here, right? But once we'll put message the number, then it will come. So I will show you that also. Error, okay, you have to be warning. So you have to put title number only. Okay, so once you put, just a minute, I will erase once again, and I will do that. Data validation, yes, maybe it is showing something. Yeah, because we have to put number. Okay, any number 0 to 1000. Okay, now we are giving the as we said, we'll give to input message. First we'll see just what is this, and then error also we can give warning. So it will show you number only. Now we'll put ABC. So if we want to try, it is saying number only. You have to do number only. You can't put text here. And the number should be, if you put more than 1005, it will not come because it's number only it's saying, and it's again it's out of our range. So we can use on that this way. Then we have different you can try, and I'm clear all. So okay, just I have to select and I have to clear all, otherwise it will problem for in future also. So basically once you go here, you can put suppose text length, so text length between minimum 3 character. It is basically used for password, and maximum to 5, like that. So if I put here, oh sorry, I have to select, I did not select this, clear, yeah, okay. So if I put a b, okay, it will not take. Then if I put it's in between a b c d, it will take. If I put ef, it will not take. So you can use on this way. So I hope you understand this thing. Then we have second thing, then we'll select this full sheets, and we will go to data validation cycle. Okay, so here we'll go this, I don't know what's not coming, just a minute. Okay, data validation is there. Okay, we will select here and we'll go to first data validations, and its whole number, and our minimum should be like 70, and maximum will be 95. Okay, we'll put here. Okay, then we'll go to this cycle invalid number. Now we want to this circle, it can do basically for us where we have data less than 70 or data more than 95. So we'll put here, it will show us automatically. So if you have large data, if you have very big data, circle can be done. So that is the part of that is the beauty of this Excel. So this is that. Then clear, you can clear that. Then we have I think done with this. Done with this. Now we'll go to consolidate. We, if you want to, like, this is the semester wise report, this is semester 1, this is semester 2, this is semester 3. Okay, so we'll go to here, and we have the one thing where we can do like we have this student copy. One way we can do like this, and we have subject. Okay, so suppose we have subject and total overall marks. So one way we can do like this, and then we can put go to sheet 1, then go to go to sheet and then add this, then plus sheet 2, add this, then go to sheet 3, add this. Okay, so one way is this, and once you drag this will total you for all, and once you drag this is total do all. Okay, but we'll do something else. So what we'll do, we'll remove these marks, we'll not going into this, and we'll go to the consolidate. Once we go to the consolidate, and it will tell us the reference. So reference will be the sheet 1 and the number. Okay, these number, right? And we'll go to we will add, then we'll go to second sheet where the sheet is, and it is already there. Then we'll add, and we'll do to sheet 3, and we'll add. Okay, and it will where our marks, actually I think our click will be here, so it will show you over here, but we'll do click here, so it will again, and it will add. We have to be put these things, so these things will help you in terms of how many numbers and how it will be. So it will show you how, where early, how much number in each semester, and subject wise, and it will tell you the details. So it's basically one of the best, one of the good feature we can use with the many sheets. Then we have the relationship basically nothing. Relationship is again based on the sheets. It will maybe I will cover in the advanced Excel. So it will again 2-3 classes for that advanced, where you have to modify your formulas and all. You can do that. So we'll cover this manage data model. It will come in this. So we'll cover now this. So we have here some if what if analyze, and based on what if analyze we will like what you want. So we have this home estimation thing, and we want to know what can be, it can be go minimum and what can it go maximum, right? So we want to analyze. So what you will do, you will select this amount, and you go to scenario manager. You can add, and you can here put minimum and put this is okay and it's okay, right? And it is the value and minimum. What you can put, you put some amount, like it will be 4, it will be like 80, this will be again 80, this will be 1, this will be 80, and this will be 1. Okay, so this is your minimum. So you put once you do this, then you again go to add and put maximum, and this is the cell. Then you put okay. So 5 will be 550, it will be 120, this will be 250, this will be 120, and so on, whatever you want to do, like so this we have there. Then what we'll do, we just close and we'll click here on total. Okay, I think you are visible my screen. So if you click this in total, so you go to what if analyze and scenario manager. So this is there, and you want summary, and once you click on summary, it will take pivot report or summary. So right now I will put on summary. So new sheet will open, and it will tell you what is your current value, what is your minimum, what is your maximum, right? So 13 lakh is your current value, minimum can be go 9 lakh 40,000, and it maximum can go 50 lakh 10,000. So basically you can compare your budgets, different budgets, whatever budgets you are preparing. So it's helpful for many things basically. So again I will go to this thing, and I will click here, and I will go to this, and I can create again from here pivot report. Once you do pivot report, you know the pivot report how it will be. It is coming as a pivot report. You want chart, everything, it can be here. Minimum will be what, maximum will be what. So pivot will also come based on that. So this is done. Then now we have balance. One more thing is forecast sheet. Forecast sheet, what we can do, like something we are forecasting. Suppose I will give you example like 2015, maybe temperature. You can put like maximum temperature is 45 degree. Then 2016 like 48 degree. 2017 like 50 degree. 2019 will be 52 degree. So you have this data, and if you want forecast sheet, so it will help you in terms of whatever you said. Right now 2015 is what, 16, 17, 18, 19 we have given, and if you want based on this another 10 year, so you can create from here. So this is the one of the again best thing, where you can make your based on your, suppose you have earning salary today 50,000, and if you want it is increasing every year 10%, so you can see how much you can earn in within another 10 years. So you can calculate this thing based on this. So I hope you understand this. Then we have one more thing is group is again, you can make this as a group. So once you click on group. Okay, so this is now group. Once you minus, then it will only show the thing, and once you plus, so it will, if you want to only show some data, so you can do this group. then you can put this, and you can do again ungroup, so it will not be as a group, so I think so this will be, you can make it group ungroup. Subtotal is same, whatever we doing subtotal. So we cover this full MS Excel data tab, and I hope you learn a lot of things and you will apply these things in your daily life, your business life, your professional life, and surely you will get some result. As I said, computer is basically to help us where we can grow our thing. So we'll see you next session, and I think MS Excel is now maximum 4 and 5 sections, so we can cover this MS Excel soon. And if you see our all these videos, surely you will learn. If you don't know about MS Excel, so you will learn a lot of things about MS Excel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you